Hey, good morning everybody. Good morning Copenhagen. So, there was a thunderstorm last night when I arrived in Copenhagen, and it didn't really put me to sleep because it just kind of let me wake up and go back to sleep just kind of intermittently. But now I feel great. I feel great. I'm gonna explore the city and see what's up. But yeah, I'll be flying to the Faroe Islands today after some, some bad events that happened yesterday, and yeah, Copenhagen's a really beautiful city. A lot of people here, there's a lot of people here that like to ride their bikes all the time, which is great. They even have separate bike lanes. People here are very warm and friendly. And I wonder, a lot of people here, a lot of Danes are very, like, Denmark's a really happy country. But I'm gonna be exploring some stuff today, so stick around and we will be going to some awesome places in Denmark, in Copenhagen, I suppose. Yeah, it's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'll probably turn this recording off once we reach this corner. Check it out, it's so pretty. So many people just riding their bikes.